how to text people on TikTok. Before I explain the tutorial, keep in mind you cannot send and receive message with everyone on TikTok. You can only send and receive message with mutual followed friends, suggested friends and contacts and people you may know. So not everyone can you send and receive message on TikTok. If you want to text people on TikTok, here's the tutorial. Open TikTok on your phone and then click inbox icon at the bottom right. And then tap search icon at the top right and type your friend name that you want to send a message. For example, Arul Razi. And you can send a message or sticker or photo or video or everything. For example, I will type a message, hello, and the message has sent. And that's the tutorial how to text people on TikTok. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video and have a nice day.